Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting breakthroughs in robotics, the Figure 03 humanoid robot from Figure AI. This next-generation robot isn't just another machine. It's designed to live and work among humans, learning from us and performing useful everyday tasks. From loading a dishwasher to assisting in industrial environments, Figure 03 is setting a bold new standard for human-like machines. So let's dive into what makes this robot so revolutionary, what's new compared to earlier models, and what it might mean for our future. Figure AI, a California-based robotics company, has unveiled its third-generation humanoid robot called Figure 03. The company's mission is clear: to create a general-purpose humanoid capable of understanding and performing a wide variety of human tasks. Unlike earlier models focused mainly on industrial or research use, Figure 03 is being engineered for home and everyday environments. It represents a major leap forward in intelligence, safety, and manufacturability, combining cutting-edge AI, advanced materials, and scalable production techniques. Figure 03 was designed from the ground up around a new AI architecture called Helix, the brain that powers everything it does. Helix integrates vision, language, and action, allowing the robot to see its environment, understand voice commands, and make intelligent decisions. Its design is sleek and practical, featuring a twin-sensor camera system with a wider field of view, faster image processing, and improved depth perception. This means Figure 03 can see objects and people more clearly and respond faster in real-world situations. Its body includes lightweight composite materials, soft outer padding for safety, and a next-generation hand system with tactile sensors and palm cameras for precise control. This makes it capable of handling fragile items, like a glass or a dish, with remarkable delicacy. Figure 03 was built to work safely around humans. It has a quiet motion system, balanced walking mechanics, and can move fluidly without sudden or jerky motions. It can walk, turn, and maintain stability even on uneven surfaces, a major challenge for humanoid robots. Its battery technology meets UN safety standards, with wireless charging support and improved efficiency for long-duration operation. The robot is also voice-interactive, with advanced microphones and speakers for natural two-way communication. And unlike traditional industrial robots, Figure 03 can operate without being caged or isolated. That's a huge step toward real integration in homes, offices, and public spaces. So, what can this robot actually do? Figure AI has demonstrated Figure 03 performing basic domestic and commercial tasks, like folding laundry, picking up objects, and loading dishwashers. In controlled environments, it can already recognize household tools, learn sequences of tasks, and adjust based on feedback. Future versions will extend these skills to warehouses, retail stores, and even hospitals, where repetitive or physically demanding tasks can be automated. The ultimate goal is to create a robot that can learn from demonstration, meaning it watches a human perform a task once, and then repeats it accurately on its own. That's a critical step toward true general-purpose intelligence. Unlike many research robots, Figure 03 is built for large-scale production. The company's new manufacturing facility, called BotQ, is set up to produce thousands of humanoid units per year. Figure has partnered with major investors and manufacturers to scale quickly, and raised over $1 billion in funding to make this vision possible. Their long-term goal is to produce 100,000 humanoid robots within 4 years, a number that could make humanoid assistance mainstream faster than anyone expected. But let's be realistic. Bringing humanoid robots into homes and workplaces isn't easy. There are massive challenges around safety, cost, and real-world reliability. These robots must be trusted to operate safely near humans, adapt to unpredictable environments, and remain affordable. Some experts question whether AI systems are ready to handle the huge variety of situations a human can face every day. Still, the progress we're seeing from Figure AI, especially with Helix and the Figure 03, shows we're getting closer to that future faster than expected. Figure 03 shows how humanoid robots could soon work and live alongside us, helping with everyday tasks and making life easier. Would you trust a robot like this in your home? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to e-mobility trends for more future tech updates.